snowing them motherfucker right now. I'm here in the blizzard of 2007. I thought she knew about the Weather Channel. That shit predicted it. I didn't believe it. Came over here to Chicago, and it happened. Look at this motherfucker over there trying to pretend like it ain't happening.